This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Hgml. This Hgml is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I'm not associated with this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. In the video, I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Hgml ransomware encrypts the files, and then it appends a special Hgml extension to the file names, so it will be impossible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom amounts to $980, which is a tremendous amount of money, of course. But we urge you not to pay it, because there is no guarantee that your data will be restored even if you pay the ransom. So don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Then the scanning will begin. Keep in mind that the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is very important, so don't skip this really very important step. So then, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated by Combo Cleaner, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which protects your files. You can add a certain folder that would be always protected, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. But it works very well in terms of detecting and deleting this ransomware, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. We recommend you to upgrade to Premium. You can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Also, in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly restore your data.